the left.
足元にご注意ください。
Hi man, I'll see you. You Tokyo Auto Salon tomorrow? Yeah. I might see you. Right. You know how it is. Alright guys, so you see where we're at. We're out here at the Hard Rock Cafe in Roppongi. We are doing the RWB pre-Tokyo Auto Salon meet. I'm gonna head in. I'm gonna show you guys what's here today. I hope you guys enjoy. As always, drop those comments. Thanks for hanging out, and yeah, let's get at it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have a full lot. I mean, it's just so incredible. They do this once a year. They always do it the night before Tokyo Auto Salon. Today was a sprint. We literally just got off the plane a couple hours ago and made our way out here. So do my best to show you guys everything that's out here. right, guys, so we made it out. You guys, let me know what you think. I tried to just run through real quick, get everything as best as I could, and show you guys what was out here today. So I hope you guys liked it. This is the pre to Tokyo Auto Salon. So tomorrow we're headed over to Tokyo Auto Salon. A couple shop tours, a whole bunch of good stuff. So I'm gonna get at it. I hope you guys enjoyed this this quick little taste of what's coming out here in Japan for you guys. So you guys let me know what you think, and I'm gonna get at it and head over to the next one.
At this point, you should leave with them, and then everyone will get videos of you guys.
That's why he's coming.